In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Uber Voucher. To get started, open the Uber Eats app on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that first because your voucher needs to be connected to the correct account before you can use it. Once you're in the app, tap on Account and then go to Wallet. This is where Uber Eats stores payment methods, credits, and any available vouchers linked to your account. If you received a voucher code by email or message, this is the point where you'll want to claim it. In some cases, tapping the link in the message may automatically add the voucher to your account. If not, you may need to enter the code manually depending on how the voucher was sent. Be careful to enter it exactly as provided so it can be recognized properly. After that, stay in the Wallet section and scroll down until you find Vouchers. Here, you can review the details of the voucher before you place an order. This part is important because vouchers often come with conditions. For example, there may be an expiration date, a minimum order amount, or limits on which restaurants are eligible. Some vouchers may only work for delivery, while others apply only to certain promotions or locations. Taking a moment to check these details can help you avoid confusion at checkout. Once you've confirmed that your voucher is valid for what you want to order, start adding food items to your cart as you normally would. Browse the restaurant options, choose your items, and then head to checkout when you're ready. At checkout, the voucher will usually apply automatically if your order meets all of the requirements. If you have more than one voucher available, you may need to tap the payment section and choose the specific voucher you want to use. This is especially helpful if one voucher gives a better discount than another, or if one expires sooner and you want to use it first. Finally, place your order. If the voucher covers the full amount, you're all set. If it only covers part of the order, the remaining balance will be charged to your selected payment method. That's all there is to it. As a quick tip, always double check the final total before confirming the order so you can make sure the discount has been applied correctly.